quiet. Don't let the teacher know we're recording. Dang, there's so many people here. It's so crowded, TBH. I'm gonna put my camera down. What the frick is that? Oh no, the giraffe is here. The giraffe is here. Yeah, bunch of liquor. Don't let the teacher see the camera. Don't let the teacher see the camera. Ain't no way. No, come on. I don't want to close the phone. Oh, wait. I am done.
Close your fucking tablet. She just said close your fucking
Bye. Okay. Well, okay. You can go now. Because I am so scared. The teacher will take my tablet or iPad. Yes, because he is like Raptor SFS. We said we were gonna collab, so yeah, we actually collab in school right now.
Yeah.
Yes, we are actually in school. If you didn't see, this is our uniform. The bro has a uniform too. Yeah, China. Let's take a picture. I'm gonna translate class. You really said something on the wall of his feet. Do you feel fuck up, everyone?
Hello. Hey, madam, I'm here to do something today. We know you. Pala, sorry, I'm not paying. Hey, Tony, pay later. Oh, I am the finance side. Hello.
What do you keep tapping it, bro?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.